Hello everyone, and welcome to a new IrisBG tutorial. In this video, I will first show you how you can create a label for just one plant, and then I will show you a smart way to create labels for many plants and simultaneously update the items. I'm in the Items tab in the Accession screen, and here I have a plant that needs a new label. Under Status, it says Label Type, and if I click the drop-down, I will be able to see the different label types I can choose from, with label code and name. The labels type can be defined by your administrator. For this plant, I want to create a medium QR code label, so I will select QRM1 from the drop-down. I can export or view the label from this screen. Click here on the ellipsis and click on Export to create and save a file that can be used with a label printer, or click View to open it up in a Word file that can be printed. Check that the status is OK when you have your new label. Why use the Not OK status? Because this can be used as a search criterion and provide you with a list of all accessions that are in need of new labels. I will show you this in just a moment. You can also customize the labels, but that's for another tutorial. This is the easiest way to create labels, but sometimes you will need to create more than one label at a time, and this would be quite time-consuming. Let's look at the efficient way to create new labels for more than one item. You can do this from two different screens, the Label screen or the Item Management screen. I will show you both ways. You can use the Label screen if you, for instance, would like to replace the existing labels in your garden with a new material that can withstand weather and squirrels better than your old ones. Open up the Label screen from the navigation bar. Select medium size, and here on the left you can select the criteria of the accessions you would like to give new labels. This is where the Not OK status come in quite handy, because I can choose to create labels for all items with the label status set to Not OK. This can be combined with other criteria, like the location in your garden. Use View and Export as explained previously. The second way, we use the Item Management screen to create labels and batch update items. For instance, this allows you to update the item status to Inspected in addition to record that you have created new labels. Let's make sure that all our plants in the perennial bed number 3 have labels. Use the Express search to find all items in perennial bed number 3. With label status Not OK, click Enter to search. Down here you can see our search results. Note that the dead plant is not checked nor included in the count, so changes will not be applied to it unless you manually check it. To create new labels, click on the Create Labels tab. Choose Label Type and click either Export, Print or View. Then, click on the Update Items tab. We want to add that all these plants got inspected today by me. And that the label status of the M1 labels now are OK. Click Update to update. Of course, item management can also be used to batch update items without creating labels. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next video.